You can use one microphone for your DSLR and your iPhone. You don't have to have two different types of microphones. This is a DSLR mic because the end prong there has two rings, whereas the microphone for the iPhone has three rings. Okay, so unless you have three rings for the iPhone or two rings for the DSLR, it won't work. However, the trick is if you want to use one microphone, you can get adapters. So I'm going to show you some adapters you can get to use your two-ringed TRRS microphone for your DSLR, which you can use in your iPhone. So the first adapter you need is this one. So it's got the three rings on there on the prong, and we're going to also use this, which is the lightning adapter. So here we go. We have the DSLR mic. We're going to put this here, this adapter. We're going to plug that into there. So that's the two-ringed one. We're going to plug that into there. At the end of that, we have the three-ringed one, and I'm going to write down the specifics of these in the description below so you can see what you need, and I'll put some links as to what I got. And then we've got the adapter that goes into the, can you see that? So it's got the lightning speed thing there, and then we're going to plug that in to my iPhone. Okay, and now we have an iPhone with the Rode mic that I bought, so I didn't have to get another mic. Again, I'll put the links in below and the names of these adapters so you can see how it works. You can also do it the other way around, where if you've got a mic with the three rings called a TRRS, double RS, you can get adapters for those to go into your DSLR camera. But either way, you don't need to overspend. You can have the one mic and have the right adapters. I've tested out the mic. It worked perfectly with the DSLR mic and the right adapters. It works very, very well. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed that video, and I hope you found it useful and valuable, and hope it answered some of your questions. Take care and see you next time.